Hey guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Montara 3FG event boot from Teva. These hiking boots are made with a waterproof full-grain leather upper that's got a waterproof event membrane, so it seals out the rain, any kind of water that's gonna come at you. It's got this great, mid-cut silhouette, comes up pretty high around the ankle, lots of padding, so you're gonna be nice and comfortable. The inside has a pigskin leather lining. It's really soft, it's gonna be comfortable as well. Plus, you've got this dual density EVA sock liner. It cushions the foot, gives you a little bit of extra support where you need it, but if you have your own orthotics, you can definitely remove that and use those. It does have the Aegis Antimicrobial Treatment on the inside too, so that way your feet are not smelling funky, they're feeling good and fresh. Nice dual density EVA midsole, gives you some cushioning, light flexibility there. It's all on top of a custom Vibram Megagrip outsole. Show those trails, who's boss? You're the boss. It's from Teva.